How to fix missing chat history sync now option not showing. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, launch your messenger. As you do so, you will see all the messages and at the top you will see sync now. If you tap on sync now, you will get landed onto a page like this. You're simply typing your PIN here and tap on next. Now, if you have forgotten your PIN, then you have to delete your PIN overall. For that, tap on 3-bar icon here, then tap on this gear icon. Scroll below, then you will see Privacy and Safety. Open it. And likewise, under Security, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Here, tap on Message Storage. Then here, tap on Delete Secure Storage. And it says that your end-to-end encrypted messages saved in secure storage will be permanently deleted. Tap onto it, then tap on Delete, and you cannot restore these messages. It will be gone forever. Just like so guys, this is how you can fix it, and thank you all for watching.